Good morning, I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Here's a look outside with our Gwaltney Group camera on this Wednesday morning. A soggy day so far. We've had about 0.2 of an inch of rain as we are just a couple minutes past 7:30 on this Wednesday morning. More rain on its way for especially the morning hours, but heading into the afternoon, it's to be more scattered hit or miss showers, as you'll see on Futurecast, and there's a chance of maybe some strong storms coming up later on. Something we've not encountered so far this season, or really going back to maybe last October. But right now, some light rain continues to fall. We've had, again, almost a 1/4 inch of rain so far, and looking at the possibility of as much as 1/2 inch overall today, and showers and thunderstorms. The big story today to go with temperatures in the 50s and low 60s. This is yet another near record, very mild day. We had a high of 61. That was a record yesterday. Today's forecast high is similar, but not quite in record territory. 63 would be today's record high temperature. Showers and thunderstorms in our day planner today. Look for periods of rain and some storms. Again, mostly concentrated in the morning. Afternoon will be more widely scattered activity. 59 the expected high temperature. Winds south on the breezy side, 15, 16 miles per hour. Sunset at 6:10 this evening. Right now it's 51 in Rochester. We've had some light rain. There have been some breaks in the showers, so right now airport reporting a break between showers, but south winds 10 miles per hour. Air pressure is steady, 29.71 inches of mercury. Look at these temperatures, though. These are incredibly warm for the morning hours, incredibly warm for any time of day, really, for this part of the month. Normally, 37 would be a typical high temperature, for instance, and we're way above that already this morning. Typical morning low would be in the 20s, so we're warmer than that. 51 in Rochester, 52 in Mason City, 54 in La Crosse. Here's the radar. We have a little break right now between showers in Rochester, but more is building in from the southwest. There is some lightning being detected in some cases, and as that cold front approaches, we'll have another batch of thunderstorm activity developing, coming in from the west, and we'll see that perhaps after 3 o'clock today. Here's the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. We are in the slight risk now of severe weather. That's an elevated risk compared to where we were earlier today. We were in the marginal risk in the green area, but now, by and large, the majority of the area in that slight risk, so slightly elevated chance of large hail and damaging winds. Those are the primary concerns today for Rochester, down toward Austin, Albert Lee, and Decorah, and even Cresco and toward Osage, and of course northward up toward the Twin Cities, Red Wing and Eau Claire and Wabasha. So there is that chance of large hail, damaging winds surrounding that. Marginal risk still, not 0% chance of severe weather there too. They may yet see a couple strong storms. We're going to keep an eye on that for the late afternoon and early evening hours as that cold front gets closer. With that front, also winds at ground level, surface winds are really to pick up as that storm system comes in. So we are going to have to deal with southwest and then west winds, at times reaching 45 miles per hour. The vast majority of the area is in a wind advisory that goes from 5 until midnight tonight. So we're going to have to deal with some pretty strong winds. So if you're thinking you've got the garbage cans out, you might want to make sure that things the lids are on securely, and you have the batten down the hatches, basically, is what I'm trying to say. It's going to be a windy one. All right, here are the showers. This is for the morning hours. Those lines of activity move through. Afternoon, we get a break, at least at times. We'll have very scattered activity. Watch this line of storms. There it is, depicted at around 5, 6 o'clock, marching through the area. That could be what we're looking at as in the way of some strong storm activity. So keep that in mind. Again, a chance to start around 3. We go until about 7 o'clock this evening of some large hail and damaging winds. Snow, meanwhile, toward northwest, around Fergus Falls, Montevideo, those areas up toward the central Minnesota, up towards St. Cloud, and even around Alexandria, the possibility of 5 or 6 inches of snowfall today. Tomorrow, clouds, then some cool sunshine. Mid-40s the highs. We'll have kind of a breezy day. Winds around 16 or 17 miles per hour, and definitely feeling much more March-like, but a quieter day. Nice to get some sun back after today's much-needed rainfall. This possibility of 1/2 inch of rain would erase the rainfall deficit we have for this month. That is now approaching 1/2 inch, so that's kind of a good situation. Again, tomorrow, there's that sunshine ahead of high pressure. Friday, lighter winds and more sunshine. Temperatures in low and mid 40s, and then going into Saturday, still a sunny day before we see that wintry mixture on Sunday and Monday. We're still talking about the possibility of snow in those days. 59 in Rochester today, 67 in Mason City, Winona 64. Showers, a few thunderstorms, south winds around 15 miles per hour. 59, not quite a record, but not far from 63. That is today's record set back in 1977. That's today's record high. So we'll be very close to that. And if something happens, we may get there, but we'll have to have a sizable break between the showers. Tonight, evening showers, windy and colder, mostly cloudy, 35. Things dry out later on. The winds subside a little bit and turn more to the west late in the night, but 45-mile-per-hour gusts. Highs tomorrow around 46 degrees, morning clouds, then some sun. That graphic not quite right, but here's what we're facing on Friday, some sunshine. Saturday and Sunday, well, things get a little more March-like. Clouds thicken Saturday night. Sunday, chance of rain and snow mixed together. We may see accumulation during the evening and overnight hours. Sunday, still hard to say how much we could be getting, but at the very least, as it stands right now, if that system, unless it dives southward, which there are some suggestions that it may be doing, there's some hints at that. If it does stay in the area, though, you can see a few inches of snowfall heading into early Monday morning of next week. Temperatures next week very much more March-like, even colder than average in some cases, upper 30s to around 40. And on St. Patrick's Day, another chance of rain and snow showers next Wednesday with highs in the upper 30s. Meantime, today is try to stay dry and be weather aware. Of course, we have that chance of strong storms this afternoon. And in the meantime, enjoy today's warm weather at least, and if you're hoping for snow, well, there's a silver lining to this forecast. There's that chance for that still coming up. We are still in March, and a lot of stuff can and does happen this time of the year. Have a great day, everybody.